Welcome to solverfy.
In this question we have f1 equal 300k and f3 equal 100g. So f2 should be equal to 100 multiply cosine 45i minus sine 45k. So it will be equal 141.42 in I direction minus 141.42 in k direction, and m1 equals 100k and m2 equals 180 multiply cosine 45 I minus sine 45k, which is equal 127.28 I minus 127.28 k. Equivalent forces and couple moment at point O. So resultant force equals sum of forces. So we have 141.42 I plus 100g plus 300 minus 141.42 k. So in this case, Fr equals 141 I plus 100g plus 159 k. The position of vectors are R1 equals 0.5 g and R2 equals 1.1 g. So MRO, moment of resultant force around O, equals sum of moment around O. So we will have I 0 and 0. In J direction we have 0.5 and 0. In K direction we have 0 and 300 plus I, we have 0, 141.42. In J we have 1.1 and 0. K we have 0 and negative 141.42. If we solve this one, we will get the value of MRO, moment of resultant at 0 or at node, equals, we forget a term, the last term should be 100k plus 127.28 I minus 127.28k. So this one should be equals, if we add these factors, we will have 122I minus 183k, and the unit is Newton meter.